bank accounts. Here, we're able to, if you click Add Bank Account up in the top left, you can either connect with Plaid, which if you go through this process, you connect, and this will bring up the ability to link one of your financial institutions. Once you do that, it'll prompt you to authenticate with your with a financial institution, and then it'll everything under those credentials, all the accounts under those credentials, you'll have the option to link to a general ledger account in the system, and then that will automatically bring in those transactions. If your bank is not supported, we have the option to do a couple of what we call a custom bank feed as well. So you can bring in other financial institutions, any other type of account to the system. And the only difference with this really is that it's an upload via CSV or Excel versus the Plaid option is an automatic integration. In either case, what you get is the option, is the functionality to, I'm going to go to bank transactions and pull up an example here. You get the option to book your bank transactions in bulk. I'm just choosing some more wider date range here. Okay, so there's a number of ways to get your bank transactions into the system. It's coded with journal entries. So the first thing is we have these bulk actions throughout, so you can always click whichever transactions you want to record, and you can create journal entries in bulk from them. So if I went in and I wanted to put a certain expense account or other accounts over here, I could do that directly from this feed. Code vendors, other dimensions, franchise, for instance, is a custom general ledger dimension. You can assign all this directly in bulk. And you can filter, so you can save, you can say, I want to just filter on everything that has yellow in it for yellow cap. And if I decide I want to book these in bulk, I can just do that here, like I just walked through, or you could save this as a new view and come back to this each time and just select that from the drop down over here. So there's a few different ways to deliberately book transactions in bulk in the system from the bank or credit card feed. And then we also have these AI suggestions. So if you have these turned on, we have these turned on for account here. You can have them turned on for account, vendor, customer if you want as well. These will just flow through automatically. And so if these look good, then you can actually go through and just and say, process them, and it will go through and process those suggestions. And then if there is a suggestion that you like, that you just want to make a rule to happen every time, you can do that as well. So bank rules work like this. I think this is a pretty simple one that says if the full description contains yellow, then code that to employee expenses, ground transportation, and yellow cap is the vendor. And so you can see, so this is this kind of logic to create the rules. So yeah, just a kind of a combination of a few different ways to get these transactions coded in the system that gives you complete control over them, and then still takes advantage of some automation like the AI suggestions and AI bank rule suggestions to to have that be quick and easy when you need it to be.